not going very fast. Can't tell which line it's on, but on the Fostoria, Ohio, USA area. Hey guys, it's a Norfolk Southern NS westbound train right there. But is he gonna stop or is he gonna go through? I wonder if he has to wait on a CSS or something. I think he's gonna park. I think he's stopping. Yeah, it's stopping. That happens, we'll catch it, don't worry. He could be moving, I don't know. I think he's gonna move. He may, but he's very slow. Let's see if he flashes his lights. Unless he turns the light off, you know. If he does, yeah, it stopped. He's stopping. Well, I don't know, to be honest. He might go through. The gates are going down. Up there. That's close. That's close. I can't tell what kind of train that is. Here it comes. Yep, it's moving. Yep, it's going. He's going. Here it comes. It's like a Mixedfreight. That's what it is. First line. It's on the first track. Here it comes. It's like one engine. His lights aren't flashing. Hi, I'm waving to him. Hi. I'm surprised the lights aren't flashing. That happens sometimes. It's normal. Whoa, Norfolk Southern NS. It goes. Moving. First train. Wow! Wow! Okay. Moving. Yep. Looks like a long one too. Looks pretty long, doesn't it? Ha! Oh, look at graffiti. An empty lumber car. Long train. Yeah, it's really long, isn't it? Looks long, yeah, it's a long one. I think there might be a bigger engine, a DPU, or we'll see. Maybe it's just one engine, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, it's the 13 too, I knew it. I think that's the train that we're talking about. Speaking up now. Trying working hard going through Fostoria. Might be an engine way out there, huh? I think there might be. Looks like there is, yeah. It's raining in there, huh? It's raining in Fostoria too. On Fostoria, yep. Raining. It's supposed to rain here too. Supposed to, yeah. Wow, that's a long train. I think there's a middle engine on it. There probably will be. I think there will be, yeah. It's a long one. Excuse me. Picking up speed, huh? He's picking up speed now. It's moving really slow, like I said. What the heck? It looks like there's interesting cars coming up. When I look up there, see that orange cars? What the heck are those? It looks like a whale gringer. I can't tell what that is. It looks different. That is cool. Look at the cars coming up. Now that is cool. I think it's just one engine with that, you know? Wow. That's cool. Yep, I see the end. It's just a one engine train. The rail fin. It's kind of cool. Yep, here comes the end. It's a really long train with that at the end. That's cool. Cool. How cool is that? Oh, that is cool. On the Fostoria, Ohio, USA area.